Hello, it's Mike from the FXPivotPoint.com. Taking a look at today's action. Kind of a rough day for the euro, the pound, isn't it? So we're taking a look at the EURUSD here in the weekly, and you can see it's just been getting destroyed, and it doesn't look like we're going to see much of a reprieve until maybe just a little bit of support in here, unless someone says something. Miraculous, like someone is going to give, the European Union or Greece and Portugal and Spain a whole lot of money. I mean, and who wants to do that right now? No one. The IMF. Germany sure as hell doesn't want to do it. Either way, so we're gonna see some more down action. If not, definitely we're going to see some more volatility, which is good for the day traders. We just have to be patient and watch, and to see what happens here. The 61.8, again, if you haven't watched our videos, aren't familiar, the 61.8 on any fib play usually means a full retracement of the move. All right, we've beat that horse to death. Let's move on. Let's take a look at the pound. Let's go back and look at real quick. Look at we're talking 15 minutes. These are our day trading charts now. I see my system signaled a move there, and we had this nice little move. All right, well, we're on the pound. Let's talk about it. Notice how during the entire Asian session, we're below it. We get a signal again. And that would have been a nice move. Drop down here before it goes up, and then we see this. They want to go, and then we get a break here back down to the pivot. This little spike up for the stop hunting that doesn't occur. Right to look where it stopped. Boop. Pretty interesting, huh? Oh, look at this. So where do we find support? And how about there? How about there? How about there? Right at S1, and my guess is we're headed right up to the pivot, if not higher, before we sell off again into Friday. Oh no, I have no clue. Trade the charts, trade what you see. If we move up here during the Asian session, we should get a bounce down. We'll see. I don't think we're going to get much of a retrace out of this, again, because of the amount of negativity. And the amount of nonsense going on in the EU. All right, so well, this is not the EU, but this is a pound, but this still it's a member of the correlated pairs. All right, so let's exit out him, and let's move back to. Oh, look at this. This would have been a nice play. Our little drawing tool. All right, come on, little drawing tool. There we go. So look where it comes up. Spins the entire day. Well, it spins the entire day below the pivot point, except for this spike, which was great stop hunters. Or if you were smart enough to see this, to know that it didn't make it to the pivot point here, it probably wasn't going to make it to the pivot point the rest of the day. You could have put a sell order here and then watched it fall back down, or you could have seen this spike, seen this move. All right, again, you have to be a candle wizard to notice that pierces up through there and comes back down. That is a pretty bearish move, and you definitely could have shorted right in here, at least to here to take a few pips, and if you were patient, down to here. And again, look, we're moving back as we watch. We're going to move right back to this pivot point. And again, I'll let the European session play out before I'll take a trade and see what happens. But boy, it's been interesting, hasn't it? Either way, trade what's in front of you. Don't anticipate. Don't think. Just trade your charts. If you're a mechanical system, you absolutely have to trade your mechanical system. If you're a discretionary trader, good luck. There aren't many out there for a reason. Stick with the system. Again, we talked about it before, and I'll just mention it one more time. When a pair comes in and it spends the entire day. Look, we spent the entire Asian session here. We spent the whole doing this little retrace of the European session. There is going to have to be something very strong to blow this pivot away for it to move up here and stay above the pivot. And of course there wasn't. There was more political grandstanding, and that really created to the move we see here. Oh, let's see what I haven't seen this lately. Ooh, my goodness. Look at that. Again, look at this. What do we see on a pair that's trending north? Well, you see, where's my little tool? Oh, I guess I hit it. Come back out of here, little VB doodle. Nope, not him. We see just the opposite thing happen here, as happened on the bearish pairs. Look, doesn't make it. Almost, and almost. It really wants to come down. Price really wants to come down and touch this pivot point. But you can see the bulls said, nope. And they took it up to about as close to R1 as you can get. I mean, really close. And as you can see, it looks like we're going to try to find some support here. And my system just pulled a buy. I'm not taking it. I'm not going to trade this session, but I still think we see this. I'll come back and at least that little triangle. I guess we'll see. All right, well, that's it for the day. A quick look at the majors. Again, the primary pair that we traded, the pound and the euro, and what they did today. And they had some not a lot of nice moves today, but nonetheless, it was a profitable day. You had some very straightforward trades. You had that move to the pivot and then down. So that should have been, if you were a pivot trader, or if you're following my videos, that should have been a pretty easy, an easy play. All right, I hope all is well with everyone, and we will see you guys later. Goodbye.